Hey everyone, are you looking for a good fall diffuser blend recipe? Well,
we've got one for you. We're gonna use essential oils that smell super fall-y to make a fall diffuser blend. The fall essential oils we're gonna be using are orange, which gives it a little bit of a sweet smell to it. Balsam Fir, which is really woodsy. Cassia, which smells like sweet cinnamon. And our focus essential oil blend, which is kind of spicy.
All right, so just 1 drop of each?
Yep, super easy.
Okay. All right.
Cool. Once you've got that in there, close your diffuser up, turn it on. So fun thing about our Simply Earth diffusers is you can turn it on without the light or with the light.
On and off, light and no light.
You can also make it stay on one color or change colors.
It will change color eventually. Ooh, it smells really nice.
It does smell really nice.
Ooh, I'm gonna use that one in my office tomorrow.
If you really like this blend like we do, you can add 25 drops of each of these oils into one of these 5 milliliter bottles, which come in our big bonus box if you are a subscriber.
So you get those guys for free. Good.
All right, once those are all in there, put your dropper top back in, put the lid on it, and you can give it a little bit of a swirl. And whenever you want to use this blend, you can just use
The master blend.
Yep, just add about 3 to 5 drops in there, and you're good to go. So when you're finished with your master blend, make sure you label it so you can remember your great fall blend. And if you're a subscriber, these labels come with your recipe. You just cut them out like Shyla has done, and then you can peel off the back. You want to do that?
Yep.
And she'll put it on there. And while she's doing that, you also get a label that goes on the top of your bottle. And a 5/8 inch puncher like this one fits it perfectly. So all you have to do is put that in there, make sure it's lined up well.
Looks pretty good.
That looks good, and boom.
Wow. All right, I got it off. And I'm gonna put it on the top now. Ta-da! All right. So to check out more recipes just like this, go to
simplyearth.com.
All right, see you later.